Hello everyone. This to show you how to access your software. Software that involved in with the Highline College, especially in the BizTech department, through a remote access through horizon.highline.edu. So first you need to open uh, an empty browser and you just type in the web address, the web domain I'm going to provide to you. Just have to be careful. When you are in Horizon, you are using the college platform. You are not using yours. I will explain that to you when I'm there. So I'm gonna go into my web address right here, and I'm gonna type horizon.highline.edu, just like that. As you notice, I use it quite a bit. When it comes to this particular area, there are multiple ways to access it. Here to install the software, you might not be able to for multiple reasons. So we're just gonna play it safe. I'm gonna just click on VMware Horizon HTML access. And you're gonna put your username and password. As you notice, I use it quite a bit, so I'm already there. Now, since I have not logged on into the system in a while, so it's gonna regenerate my profile from. Oh, that's what is wrong. Let me see. Here we go. Update password. And what I usually use, as you can see, I marked it so I have exit access to. It's Apps Anywhere 365. I click on it, and since I have not been on it for a while, it's gonna create my profile from scratch. If you're on it all the time, then it would be a little bit faster. But it's what the system is doing now is it's looking for any available computer on campus and give you the access to. So what happens then, you not just have access to the college software, you also have access to your personal network drive, and I'll share that with you so you can save your work on it if you want to. However, if you want to access that work, you might have to want to save them on the Google Drive or some other or OneDrive, whatever cloud you are using to save your files. So what I am on right now, I'm actually at Highline College software, a desktop. I'm using one of the desktop, and you're gonna see that apps everywhere is gonna pop up, trying to ask you to do, use their existing software. If you don't see your name right there, it's something wrong. So I'm looking for Visio, and Visio is not there. So I'm gonna search for it here. If it's there, it's fine. If not, I'm gonna just look for it in here, and here it is. So this is Visio 2019. Even the book, it's based on 2016 version of the software, but they're pretty much the same. So I'm gonna start. You need to sign in. I'm glad this comes up. You might have to do this every time. I'm hoping not. When you sign in, you want to use again your Highline email address. In this case, I'm going to use my college address. And this will reroute you to the college website to add your password, and will give you access. What happens? My password is incorrect. Let's try it again. Okay, allow my organization to manage my device. Click OK. Because again, that's not your software, it's not your device, that's the college system and software. So now once you're in, you can get that message, you're all set, click done. Now you should be able to use you're able to use all the Microsoft Office suite, even the Visio. Now, you should be able to see more of those templates when you come up again, but these are the main one that we wanted to work with. I'm just gonna open the basic one right here. You know what? I'm just gonna create a blank one. So we'll do this probably later. I'm gonna do a United States units, which is by inches, not metric, which is by centimeters and millimeters. So I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna upload it to my Canvas into your assignment. So I'm gonna click File, Save As, or File Save for the first time. I'm gonna browse. I'm gonna go to this PC. I'm gonna scroll down to see your username. This is the username that I used to log in. So click Open. Look for Visio. If you don't, just create a new one. This is my class, BizTech 215, and I will save it here. Let's say assignment 1. Okay. When it's done, you can close it. Okay, just be careful what I'm closing now. This is the browser window right here, and this is the window platform in here. So I'm gonna have to circle this in when I finish the window, when I finish the video. Again, so we are inside. So the browser accessing the college computer. So be careful. This why you see. Are you not seeing the bottom portion of my screen because I cut it? So you can see 2 of those. Okay, one here and one below. I'm gonna just click on it and you can see below it. So this is the one below. This is mine and this is the college. So be careful when you have which one you're accessing. So if I want to finish this, I'm gonna close this one here. I don't want to close. You want to close this browser. If you want to open Canvas, it's fine. Just go to Canvas right here. No, again, sorry. I have to open up. See, this is it's confusing. So no, you'll get used to it. I'm going to open a new browser inside that remote area. Then I'm going to go to Canvas right here. I just log into it like you log in on your system. And just access your class and submit it. However, if you want to use your Google Drive to save your work on your Google Drive, simply go to drive.google.com and log in with your Highline email. Put the entire email as a username and your password, and you should be able to upload those files into your Google Drive in case you want to save them on your own computer. Okay. Yeah, my password is not easy. I sometimes forget it. So here I go look for my BizTech 215. You can see I have a lot of full files in here, and just drag and drop on there and you should be fine. Okay, and I hope this will help you to have to access the software on campus and how to save it on your own network drive and also on a Google Drive. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye bye.